So we're going to be welcoming a new family into the garden. The birds have built this. It seems like the Bananaquits are the ones that like building their nests in the pomegranate. They also build their nest in this plant. This is the Quadrilla indica, and you can see it's either they're just making it or the bird has hatched and they've flown away. We have another haphazard looking one here. I think this one, they built it right on the end of this tree. It is a Guinea or Barbados, it's called Ackee tree, and it's sheltered from the wind, but I'm not sure how sturdy it was built. Not that I'm an expert in nest building, but I think they seem to prefer the pomegranate tree because it has spikes on it as well. So if a cat did try and climb it, it would have a great lot of difficulty. And the last one that we welcomed in so far is in the sapodilla tree at the top. And as I say, it's mainly the sparrow-looking birds or the Bananaquits with the yellow bellies, and they're the ones who seem to frequent our abode. And they also love building their nest in the neem tree, but this one has got to be trimmed. So yeah, we're looking forward to seeing the newcomers, and as they hatch, I don't go too close to them, but I tell them, well, you've decided to build your nest here in the garden, so expect there to be me walking past every now and again. They've probably gone to look for food. You normally hear them chirping if you get too close to their nest. Anyway, so that's the nests in the creative garden at the moment.